Tallahassee, a state prosecutor has determined there exists no reasonable suspicion that Attorney General Pam Bondi accepted a bribe when she received a campaign contribution from Donald Trump's charity in 2013. Bondi's office later opted not to investigate Trump University, a real estate investment seminar class that some customers said swindled them of thousands of dollars. Stephen Russell, state attorney for Southwest Florida, sent a letter to Gov. Rick Scott on Thursday saying there was nothing to support the allegation made by Whitfield Larrabee, a Boston lawyer. The review of the case was conducted by Amira Fox, chief assistant attorney for the 20th Judicial Circuit. There is no evidence that Bondi demanded and accepted payment from Trump as an inducement for the promise to perform or not perform an official act, wrote Fox, quoting a prior case. Bondi and Trump both have said there was no quid pro quo for the donation. Bondi personally asked Trump for a donation to her political committee, and Justice for All, in August 2013 as she was gearing up for a re-election campaign the following year. The Trump Foundation issued a $25,000 check dated September 9, 2013, to the committee. Bondi's office later said it would look into an ongoing New York case involving complaints against Trump University but eventually opted not to conduct its own investigation. Fox's report notes that Larrabee has no ties to Florida, no first-hand knowledge of the alleged bribe, and that the complaint was made last year, 3 years after the donation was made and during the middle of Trump's presidential campaign and ongoing New York lawsuit. After Trump won the election, he settled with customers in the New York case for $25 million. Fox also states there wasn't probable cause to charge Trump with a bribery, and even if there were, the 3-year statute of limitations would prevent prosecution. The donation from the Trump Foundation, a charity, violated federal laws banning charities from giving political donations. During the campaign, Trump aides admitted a mistake and he paid a $2,500 fine to the IRS. Larrabee has lodged several other complaints with other authorities, including with the Florida Commission on Ethics, which will hold a hearing April 21 over the matter.